guys, it's Vicky Vice and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome to my YouTube channel if you've never been here before. I thank you guys so much for stopping by. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing another Ipsy Unbagging. So I'm really excited for this month. This month was Valentine's Day, as you guys probably know. So the theme for this month is like love and Valentine's Day. So without further ado, let's crack this bad boy open and see what's inside. And again, I've got the little card thing, the little pamphlet, but I'm not going to look at that because I don't want to know. So, ooh, pulled this out immediately. So the first thing I got is, ooh, this brush. And it's like a fluffy face brush. Ooh, and it's like super soft too. I like that a lot. And it's really pretty. And it's got like this really pointy like end to it. That's really nice. It feels so soft. I wish you guys could like feel how this feels. It's the Farrah Brushes 50F brush. And this feels so soft. Really excited about this because your girl can never get enough brushes. So really excited about that. So the next thing I see in my bag as I'm pulling it out is these face masks from, who is this by? So I got these two different sheet masks. They're both from Medic, and it says that one is for age control, and the other one is for vital collagen. So let me see, because there's not a description on this that's not in Korean. So let me look on the little guide that they give you. It says, this brand sheet masks are effective, affordable, and target specific skin concerns. This one's soaked in collagen to help plump, lift, and restore skin's elasticity. Plus a blend of vitamins nourish and strengthen skin from the inside out. So I'm really looking forward to these two. I've been really loving sheet masks lately, just before videos, but also because I recently had a really bad allergic reaction to, I don't even know what it was, but my skin started, like, my face started getting really puffy, and especially like around my eyes. I've got a bunch of little like bumps, like from there. I've got hives still left over. So I did some research and found out that like sheet masks help. I'm probably going to do a video on how to heal like your skin after you have an allergic reaction. So stay tuned for that. But I'm really excited about the sheet masks because it's definitely going to help with revitalizing my skin, bringing in some more moisture. So definitely going to be using those very soon. So that's everything that was like inside the little pink bag. Tossing that off to the side. The little Ipsy bag looks like this month, and it's so cute with like the hot pink and the little kissing marks all over it. Super cute. So opening this bad boy up, the first product that I have is the Glam Glow Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer in the shade Nude Glow. It says apply evenly to the face, wear alone or layer with your favorite foundation. Can also be used on the neck or décolletage. So I'm going to swatch this on my hand for you guys, and it smells kind of like paint, and it doesn't really make a difference to anything. Like, you can kind of see that it's got like a sheen to it, but it's not anything that's like super dramatic. And again, it smells, you know, the smell, it's a very specific smell, but the smell of MAC's Studio Fix Fluid, that chemically smell, but like someone tried to put an orange creamsicle smell over top of it. That's exactly what it smells like. Again, it's not like, it's showing up a lot better on camera than it does in person. So I will try this out and see how it works. I'll probably use it tomorrow under my foundation. I'll try to give you guys an update, but I will let you guys know. So the next thing I have is the Inara Cosmo Beauty Nail Lacquer. It's in this shade Pulse. It says, this fiery red shade was created just for Ipsy by Sage Cosmetics, a brand known for their innovative, rich, and safe nail polish formulas. The glossy formula is long-lasting, chip-resistant, stain-free, as in it won't discolor your nails, and it's cruelty-free. I mean, this is what it is. I'm not really someone that uses red shades, but it's fine. I will say, ooh, I do like the brush of this. I don't think you can tell, but it's one of those shorter, stubbier nail polish wands where it's like gonna coat your nail a lot quicker, and it's gonna disperse it along your nail a lot better if you're someone that has kind of like shorter nails, not like super long nails. So, I mean, I might use it on my toenails, so we'll find out if I like it or not. Or I might just give it to my sister. Again, we'll find out. So, The next product I have in here is the Tony Moly Petite Bunny Gloss Bar. So this is in the shade Juicy Cherry, and it looks like this cute little bunny type thing on the top. It's like this little lip balm thing, and you pull the top off and you twist it up. Oh, it's a lot flatter than I thought it would be. Like, I didn't think it would be like a flat stick, but I'm going to swatch this on the back of my hand. And it's not like a very pigmented type thing, but I guess that's why it's like a gloss bar. I'm assuming it's kind of more of a lip balmy type of thing. I don't know. Let's read the card, shall we? It says, this K-beauty brand is known for their super cute packaging and high performance formulas. And this pink tinted glossy lip balm doesn't disappoint. It smells just like fresh cherries and keeps your lips hydrated and smooth all day. So, yeah, it's not supposed to be very pigmented. It's a lip balm. But then again, you also have to think that K-beauty products are more sheer and like a lighter wash of color. So I wasn't expecting this to be like super... So I wasn't really expecting this to be like super pigmented, but I'm really looking forward to using it. It doesn't really smell that much like cherries like it says it did. But like it smells enough like cherries where it's like, I could see that. But I'm going to keep you updated on this as well. So this last product, I'm not going to lie, I have no clue what it is. When you have an Ipsy account, you can do like reviews to get free products sent along with your Ipsy bag. So I guess I signed up to get this product and I have no clue what it is or what the shade is. So I'm going to open it up and see what's inside. Okay. Ooh. So it's the #give them Lala lip gloss in the shade James. Automatically the packaging feels horrible. Like it's this, ugh, I don't like the sound of that. But, oh, it's a very pinky lip gloss. And it smells like cupcakes. So this is what the gloss looks like. It's that pinky color. Yeah, I mean, it's a lip gloss. I'll probably test this out sometime soon and let you guys know what my thoughts are on it. But yeah, it was a very welcome surprise because I was not expecting it. But that is all that I have for this month's Ipsy bag. I think that I made out pretty well. I got a Glam Glow product, which I've never tried before, and I've been looking forward to trying those products. I got a nail polish, which I might not use, but I might use. A makeup brush, which I always love getting. A lip gloss and a lip balm. Excited about those two. And the sheet masks. I think I made out really well this month. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. That would really help me grow. And I love you guys so much, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye.